Hey there! Welcome to a world where learning is getting a major upgrade. Today let's talk about something that's quietly revolutionizing classrooms everywhere. And no, it's not just another tablet or app. It's something that's changing the way students see, touch, and understand the world around them. I'm talking about 3D technology. This isn't just a futuristic idea, it's happening right now, and it's transforming education in ways we never imagined. Picture this. You're teaching about ancient Egypt, a topic that can sometimes feel distant or abstract for students. Instead of just flipping through textbook pages or looking at flat images, your students actually get to hold a 3D printed model of a pyramid, or even design one themselves on a computer. They can see every angle, every detail, and even explore the inside. Suddenly, history isn't just something to memorize, it's something you can touch, build, and truly experience. The past comes alive in their hands. That's the magic of 3D tech and learning. It turns imagination into reality, and makes lessons unforgettable. But it's not just about history. 3D technology is making waves in every subject, from science and math to art and engineering. In science class, for example, I can print out a model of a DNA strand or an animal cell. These models aren't just for show, they're for exploration. Students can take these models apart, see how everything fits together, and get hands-on in a way that's way more effective than just looking at diagrams or pictures in a book. I've seen kids who thought they hated biology light up with excitement when they actually held a mitochondrion or a cell nucleus in their hands. It's a game changer for engagement. And here's the really cool part. 3D technology isn't just for showing off what's already been made. It's for creating, inventing, and problem solving. With 3D design software, kids can invent their own solutions to real problems. They can brainstorm, design, and bring their ideas to life, all within the classroom. They can design and print custom tools for a science experiment, or create models to test out their engineering ideas, or prototype engineering projects right in the classroom. Imagine the pride of building something from scratch and seeing it work. It's like giving every student their own mini invention lab, where creativity and critical thinking are encouraged every day. What about students who learn differently? 3D tech levels the playing field for everyone, no matter their learning style or ability. For visually impaired students, tactile models can turn abstract ideas into something real and understandable. It's a breakthrough for accessibility, and for hands-on learners, manipulating objects in 3 dimensions can make tricky concepts finally click. It's learning by doing, not just by listening. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but isn't it expensive? That's a fair question, but here's the thing. 3D printing and design tools have gotten way more affordable and user-friendly in recent years. Many schools are already making the leap. There are also tons of free resources, lesson plans, and online communities out there to get you started, even if you're not a tech whiz. You don't have to do it alone. So what's the big takeaway? 3D technology is more than just a cool gadget. It's a powerful tool for making learning more engaging, interactive, and meaningful. 3D technology doesn't just make lessons more exciting, it makes them more accessible, more creative, and more real. It brings subjects to life in ways textbooks never could. It's not about replacing teachers or textbooks, but about adding a whole new dimension to learning. It's about blending the best of traditional and modern education. If you're an educator, now's the perfect time to explore 3D tech. Start small, experiment, and watch your students' curiosity soar. Your students and your lessons will never be flat again. Thanks for watching, and here's to a future where learning is truly 3-dimensional.